Imagine getting the keys to your dream home in just 3 years, starting with exactly $0 in savings. Impossible? Keep watching. Buying a house feels impossible right now, but today I'm giving you the proven 4-step system that's helped thousands of everyday people save 40K, 150K for their down payment faster than they ever thought possible. Step 1. Set crystal clear goals. Let's say your target house is $450,000. Add 2 to 5% closing costs. That's another $9,000, $22,500. Aim for the gold standard 20% down payment. You owe $90,000 to avoid PMI. Total cash needed at closing, roughly $100,000, $112,500. Pick your timeline, 3 years, 5 years? Example, $110,000, 48 months. What you need to save $2,292 every single month. Scary number? Relax. The next steps make it totally achievable. Also build a separate house emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of future housing expenses. This stops your first repair bill from wiping out your entire down payment. Step 2. Find and plug every money leak. Track every dollar for 30 days. The average American wastes $437 a month on subscriptions and eating out. Temporarily switch to the 40-30-30 rule. 40% needs, 30% wants, 30% straight to the house fund. Then automate it. The second your paycheck hits, transfer your house money first into a separate account. You can't spend what you never see. Step 3. Make more money. Ask for the raise. People who ask get 7 to 10% more on average. Start a side hustle. Just 10 extra hours a week at $30-50 hour adds $12,000, $20,000 a year after tax. Sell everything you haven't touched in 12 months. One viewer cleared $11,700 in a single weekend selling old furniture and electronics. Step 4. Make your money work harder. Move every dollar of your down payment fund into a high-yield savings account paying 4.5 or 5.3% right now. Crush high-interest debt. Paying off 19 to 24% credit cards is the best guaranteed return you'll ever get. Push your credit score above 740. Every 20 points can save you $50,000 to plums over the life of your mortgage. And research first-time buyer programs. FHA only requires 3.5% down. Plus, many states still offer 10K, 35K in down payment assistance grants. If you start today, 3 years from now, that could be you holding those keys. Comment the year you plan to buy, and I'll DM you my free down payment calculator spreadsheet. Like this video if you're finally ready to own your own home. And subscribe because next week I'm exposing the 7 mortgage mistakes that cost buyers an average of $63,000.
Your ultimate hub for real estate insights, breaking news, entrepreneurial wisdom, investing strategies, and self-development hacks. If you're ready to expand your mind and stay ahead of the game floor, you're in the right place. Subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.